We've all tried editing our photos to make them look better, but sometimes, we end up ruining them. Here are 7 photo editing mistakes you should stop making today. Oversaturating colors can make your photo look cartoonish and fake. Natural tones are always more pleasing to the eye. Too much sharpening adds noise and makes your image look gritty. Use it gently, especially on faces. Overusing filters is a common mistake. Filters are great, but excessive use kills uniqueness. Customize them to match the photo's mood. Incorrect exposure is another frequent error. Overexposed photos lose detail, while underexposed ones look dull. Balance your highlights and shadows. Over-retouching skin is a typical editing mistake. Too much smoothing makes skin look plastic. Keep some texture for a natural feel. Bad cropping can ruin a great shot. Don't cut off key elements or subjects. Composition matters. Editing without considering the photo's purpose or style creates inconsistency and confusion. Always keep a cohesive look. Which one of these mistakes do you make the most? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more editing tips.